Hi guys, I'm Frugal Fanny. If you're interested in protecting the planet, if you're interested in reducing the amount of plastic you use during Plastic-Free July, or if you're interested in keeping plastic out of our natural environment, I have some tips that might interest you. Let me explain the helmet. I am a baseball mom. I raised baseball players. My athletes, everywhere they went, every team they were on, every event they participated in, and everywhere they worked, like summer camps, they would get a t-shirt. Some t-shirts are great souvenirs and you can wear them and launder them, wear them and launder them. It's the cycle of laundry, it's the cycle of life. Those type of t-shirts are your 100% cotton t-shirts. On the other hand, we have athletic wear, which has skyrocketed in popularity in the last 20 years. And the athletic wear is good for wicking the moisture off of your body while you're being athletic. The problem is, if you look at the label, those shirts are made with plastic. Let me explain. But first, I'm gonna take off this helmet because, oh my gosh. Okay, much better. Go Nats. I made you a picture because I'm a visual learner and maybe you are too. But it all starts with crude oil, petroleum, right? Petroleum is the basis for PET. You know what PET is? No, it's not your pet hamster. It's polyethylene terephthalate. These are the polymers, the plastics that are used to make clothing. They're also used to make squishy bottles like your ketchup bottle or your mustard bottle. Anyway, the athletic wear that's made with polyester is what is getting into our water cycle. Yeah, there's a lot of information online if you want to look it up. But basically, every time you put a polyester item in the washing machine and then in the dryer, it's releasing microfibers into our waterways. Filters don't filter out those particles and they get into our rivers, our air, and the food we eat. They've even been found in table salt and beer. Yeah, when you're drinking beer, you could be drinking plastic. Ew. So, what are we gonna do about that? I have a couple of suggestions. One suggestion you can find online. Project Repat. Project Repat is real. I had this quilt made there. They didn't pay me to do this. I just really like this product, so I'm doing it for free. You're welcome. But maybe you don't want to make a t-shirt quilt. Go Hornets. Maybe you don't want to make a t-shirt quilt with all your kids' old t-shirts because you live in a warm climate or you have a million blankets. That's okay. I have another solution. Follow me. So, athletic wear is made with polyester, but a lot of this stuff is meaningful to me and my family and we want to keep it around. I'm going to show you how to make a reusable grocery bag out of it. Now, you're going to have to use your imagination because I'm not really going to cut up this t-shirt right in front of you. I'm just going to show you that you take a normal polyester t-shirt and you cut along this line, about 5 inches from the hem, a nice clean cut. And then you're going to cut off the sleeves on both sides, and then you're going to cut off the neckline as well. When you do that, you end up with something that looks like this. So, you have a sleeveless tank top. Your kids probably ran around in these too. What you're going to do is you turn it inside out so the logo is facing inside, and at the hemline, you're going to cut strips about 4 to 5 inches long. This is how you're going to make the bottom of your grocery bag. You're going to take a strip from the back and a strip from the front. You're going to knot them, not once, but twice to make a double knot, a square knot. Google Girl Scouts or Boy Scouts, they'll show you how. You are going to knot up the whole bottom of the bag, and then you end up with this. a reusable grocery bag that has the logo of the school or the event or the camp where you worked on the front. And it has this fun bottom. If you don't want a fringy bottom like that, you could simply turn the shirt inside out. What I did with my green one, I turned it inside out first, and then when I knotted it up, I could turn it back and my logo is showing predominantly or on the front. Now, just in case you don't believe me that that stuff is made of plastic, one thing you can do is light it on fire. I'm sort of kidding, but I'm sort of not. Plastic melts. So if you want to get rid of the fringes, all you have to do is melt them. Yeah. Or if you're afraid those knots aren't going to last too long, then just burn them a little bit. Yeah, see the smoke? It doesn't catch fire. It's not good tinder or kindling for a fire, but it does melt. So that edge will never fray. Okay? So this is Frugal Fanny. Hopefully you've learned how you can reduce, reuse, recycle. Take those polyester athletic wear shirts, make them into a reusable grocery bag. Peace. If you like what you see, hit subscribe or leave me a comment. What kind of things have you found that you can use those shirts for?